What's up, you guys? Big Z in this one from Learn Bengali, and welcome to another Bengali tutorial by Big Z. So in my last couple tutorials, I've been refining my tutorials from 2017. So I'm going to continue to do so until I cover all those tutorials back from 2017. So yeah, let's get started on how to say I am well or I'm not well in Bengali. So the most common way to say I am well or I'm good is ami bhalo achi. Ami bhalo achi. So here we are. Ami bhalo achi, right? Ami bhalo achi. I am well, or I am doing well, or I'm good. All three sentences can be translated as this. Okay, Ami bhalo achi. So let's break it down here. Shorea moroshi ami. So that's ami. Bhoyakar bha loyakar lo bhalo. So that's bhalo. And we have achi here. Shorea choroshi achi. Okay, Ami bhalo achi. So remember, you can call this a or shoria. So let me do it with a here. Okay, so a moroshi ami bhoyakar bha loyakar lo bhalo a choroshi achi ami bhalo achi. So there's another way of saying I am well in Bengali, and that's just by adding a roshi at the end of bhalo in the previous sentence that we just went over. So let's go over that right now. So we have shoria moroshi ami bhoyakar bha loyakar lo roshi bhaloi a shoria choroshi chi achi. So that's basically putting an emphasis on this bhalo here. Okay, I'm bhalo achi. So hey, I'm well. I'm doing well. Okay, so we have ami bhalo achi and ami bhaloi achi. We covered these two, and now we're gonna cover the short way native speakers say I am well. Okay, which is very simple. So don't be worried. Let's just go over that right now. It's very simple. You're gonna get it just like that. So here we are. Bhalo achi. Bhalo achi. See, we just took out the ami part, and that's the truncated way. That's the short version of saying I'm well or I'm doing well. Okay. So bhalo achi. So it's the exact same thing as we covered in our previous sentence. Bhoyakar bhalo ekar lo bhalo shorea choroshi achi. Okay. So there you go. Bhalo achi. Bhalo achi. Yeah, I didn't even write the translated version in English because you guys already know what this is. I'm well, right? So, and the next slide we have bhalo yachi, right? So notice once again the ami part is gone here. The I am part is gone. So it's like just bhalo yachi. Well, in English, this part is literal translation would be well. Okay. So, but this is exactly the same as I am well in English. Okay. So bhoyakar bha lookar lo rushi bhaloi shorea choroshi achi bhaloi achi. Okay, so we've gone over the I am well part. Now let's go over how to say I am not well in Bengali. Okay, let's go. So here we are. Ami bhalo nei. Ami bhalo nei. I am not well or I'm not doing well. So it's basically the exact thing as the previous sentence we covered. Ami bhalo achi, except the achi part. Here we have ami bhalo nei here. Okay, so let's go over the spelling here. Shorea moroshi ami ভয়াকার ভা লয়কার লো ভালো নেই নয় একার নে রশি নেই আমি ভালো নেই okay আমি ভালো নেই I am not well or I am not doing well. You can also say আমি ভালো নাই, but that's very informal way of saying it, okay, but I'm gonna go over that anyway. So here we are. আমি ভালো নাই. আমি ভালো নাই. It's the same meaning in English. I'm not well or I'm not doing well. Let's go over the spelling here, okay? Shorea, moroshi, ami, bhoyakar bha, loyakar lo, bhalo, noyakar na, roshi, nai. Ami bhalo nai. So shorea, moroshi, ami, bhoyakar bha, loyakar lo, bhalo, noyakar na, roshi, nai. Ami bhalo nai. I'm not doing well. So let's go over the shorter version that the native speakers use without the ami part. Okay, so here we have bhalo nei, bhoyakar bha, loyakar lo, bhalo, noyakar ne, roshi nei, noyakar ne, roshi nei, bhalo nei. It means the exact same thing. We just take out the ami part over here at the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so that's that. Bhalo nei. And now we have bhalo nai, bhoyakar bha, loyakar lo, bhalo, noyakar na, roshi nai, bhalo nai. So that basically sums up this lesson here. Any question, comment, concern, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe. Big Z out.